If I go to terminal and type Conda env list, that is a list of Conda environments, I'm getting this error that says Conda is not recognized. So how to fix this error? First of all, we need to see where Conda is installed. To do that, press your Windows key and type Anaconda. Now you will see a bunch of these options. Now, if you don't have Anaconda installed, check the link in the description and you will see how Anaconda can be installed. Now, if Anaconda Navigator is installed, what you can do is click on Open File Location. So these are all the shortcuts related to Anaconda, but we do not need shortcut. We need actual path where Conda is installed, right? So right click here again and click on Open File Location. Now this is where Anaconda 3 is installed, but we need to see the search directory of Conda, right? So scroll up and you will find Conda bin. Double click on it and you will see Conda activated and all this stuff. So what you can do is copy this, press your Windows key and type environment, and you will see this option, edit the system environment variables. Click on this, click on environment variables, double click on path and double click here on this empty row, paste your new path, click OK again, and now you need to restart the terminal. So if I click on terminal and click new terminal again and type Conda, I'm still getting this error. So if you're still getting this error, just close Visual Studio Code and open Visual Studio Code again, and now click on this delete and your terminal will be deleted. Now open a new terminal and let's run our Conda command. So as you can see, this time the command Conda is working. Now you can activate an environment, let's say this environment, by using this command. And now this environment is activated. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.